Why would a company write a fixed asset procedure, and why such process is even necessary? Stick around until the end of the video, and I will show you where you can find a collection of professional procedures for immediate download, including fixed asset procedure. I'm Danielle, and I'm here to help anyone who's outside the quality profession to make your work easier and faster by using quality methods. A fixed asset is any asset that exceeds a certain value, typically a few thousands of dollars, and is used over several years. Examples include cars, laptops, office buildings, tools, machines, and similar items. If a company fixed assets are not properly managed, it is in risk losing money. This loss can occur due to incorrect depreciation calculation, which can lead the company to pay excessive taxes. Alternatively, the company may fail to appraise obsolete assets, which could negatively impact its operations or cash flow, especially if it's unprepared to replace an outdated machinery. A fixed asset procedure should include, among other things, how to document fixed assets, the depreciation calculation process, how to monitor the condition of assets and handle their disposal or replacement. While it's not mandatory to write a procedure, having a clear process in place is essential. If you need a fixed asset procedure or any other professional procedure, I have got a website full of them. By downloading a ready fixed asset procedure can help you to see how such process works in other companies. Simply go to easyiso.com website to the downloadables page.